Hey guys, so quick update on this JCB build. I've done some more work on the cab. You can see all the lights, work lights are on, and whoever thought of making all of that out of PE should get a beating. It wasn't easy, and yeah, also I don't know, the instructions are a bit weird. They basically get, let me zoom in a bit, let's see, like these lights up here, the instructions tell you to have them the other way around, so you have the mesh out, but looking at reference pictures it doesn't look like that. And I mean, in real life, if you turn the protection that way, the light will just be very diffused, so I don't think this is the right way. Otherwise the cab is complete except for the windows, which I have here, some of them, and they also have some photo etch handles on them. Instructions tell you to put on more, like I think it's 6 more plastic bolt lookalikes, but to be honest I'm gonna skip that. They will probably just disappear in painting and weathering, so I'm not gonna bother with that. They are maybe a millimeter big. So yeah, the windows are masked and I have put the handles are on in photo etch. So it's a detailed kit, not complaining about that. So that's the cab. Here we have the bucket, all finished up, and it's movable. A little bit here. The loader. This was probably the worst bit of the build at all, because it's really hard seeing what they want you to glue and not glue, so basically everything is just flimsy, and until you get to a certain point where you can start to glue something. And this piece is loose, of course, but yeah, we'll see how I do later on when it's all together, if I just glue it in certain positions. These are for the cylinders, they are not. I'm leaving them like this so far, so the cylinder pipes will go on later on when I have it on the tractor. And there's also some more pieces going on, but they tie together with the tractor part. So that's the front loader. Here we have the support legs for the rear, and come on, focus, and they are functional, everything. So a lot of moving parts and no parts you can glue. So here we have the digger arm, or what you want to call it. And same here, everything is movable. It's a swivel there, you can move it there, and you can move the bucket. So I'm gonna fill some seams. I'm gonna fill before painting. otherwise everything is really set up for primer. So I mean, I think I showed. So the arms go on here later on, and just they mount to this little edge there's here. So just gonna stick there, and the rear arm goes there and mount to the support legs also. So everything will be painted separately. There's also more parts here for the hoods that tie together with the hood, so I'm painting that separately. Also, one little funny thing, see if you can find it. Bear with me a minute. Yeah, here. Zoom in. This part is like a hose reel with probably for so they can switch equipment very quick. So the hose is just, but as you can see here, you have a little edge here, and that's not even present. So I had to make my own. See, focus. Come on. There we go. Here. This part doesn't even exist on any piece. So I made it out of photo etch from the sprue that's come with the kit. I tried with some plastic pieces I had, but it didn't look good. So yeah, not the best results. Also, I left this edge here because hose reels have that in real life, so why not? So this will also tie together with the front loader and the tractor, so this will also be painted separate. So there's pieces everywhere painting this kit, so it should be fun painting. But otherwise everything is really put on sticks here and there. Front fenders, same here, they tie together both with upper and lower parts of the tractor, so yeah, painting separately. And here we have some of the cylinders, a box, step or something that also ties with everything. Here we have the exhaust. So that will paint it separately as everything else on this build. Air cleaner. And looks like sadly I'm gonna have to use these tires as they haven't released the resin ones. So when I put this on, I'm gonna try to put them in warm water, see if we can make them a little softer so they go over the rims, because they are very hard. But that's it actually. Next time you see this, it will probably be painted. I'm gonna put it in primer this probably tomorrow, and let's see if we can manage and another update during the weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet, and stay tuned for the next update. And remember guys, have fun, keep on modeling, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Leave a like, it always helps the channel to grow. So until next time, have fun, keep modeling.